So being the head of the sports committee, actually, I don't regard myself as the head of the sports committee because I think all of us in the me, Kate, Andrea, and Kyle, we really did our jobs well and equal naman yung distribution ng workload namin. I think yung goal namin every meeting is to just provide the kids uh, unity, cooperation, of course, teamwork, the value of teamwork, and most especially fun every time naglalaro sila ng games. Um, whenever I saw them playing or when I was there guiding them while they were playing, I really saw myself in them because when I was a kid, I used to play those games and lalo na yung Pico. I grew up uh, in the rural places of Manila and yun yung mga games ko. Pico, Patintero, Habulan, Mataya-taya, Bangsak. Those were the games that I used to play. And seeing those kids just having fun and trying to compete with each other and trying to win the prize, that's that's waiting for them dun sa community activity natin. Sobrang natuwa ako kasi despite na ganun yung state of living nila and yung state ng families nila, they don't take it against their parents and talagang para sa kanila, since bata pa sila, all they have to care about is yung kung paano sila magiging masaya and wala naman silang ibang pwedeng gawin kundi mag-aral ng mabuti and to just play since bata pa sila eh. That's all they can do to have fun and yun lang yung resort nila is to have fun with their friends and to play. And I think that games in particular is really important kasi dun mo makikita yung essence of camaraderie with your friends and dun nabibuild yung yung pagkakaroon mo ng tight friendship with another person. Like siguro doon may mga magbe-best friends na and all, pwedeng mali mo may magkatuluyan doon eventually doon sa mga group of friends sila. You'll never know. Pero talaga I think games is really an important factor in a child's life. Kasi kung wala yun, I think sobrang hirap makahanap para sa buhay ng isang bata ng isang paraan para ng isang paraan para maging masaya sila. And I think that yung experiences ko with CWTS, especially being a part of the games committee, I think mas lalong naging memorable yon and I think mas lalong naging worth yung memories, worth cherishing. So I want to thank the head, of course, the facilitators, my blockmates, everyone. Kasi kung wala sila, hindi magiging masaya yung mga bata.